Hello, today we are going to show you some fun of making a creative 3D pie chart. First we start with a normal pie chart in Excel. Instead of giving each part colors, we are going to fill them with texture picture. We have downloaded 3 pictures representing 3 segments in the pie chart. The first one is ocean, the second we will use soil, and third one is concrete. Let me show you how to do it. Select one section of the pie chart. Go to Fill. Select Picture or Texture Fill. Select the previously downloaded picture. For the last part, just need to repeat these steps. Select Picture or Texture Fill. Insert. Pick the previously downloaded picture. Now we are going to insert 3D models directly in Excel. We will need to use Insert function and click 3D models. Here we are going to pick a ship. It will associate with the ocean part of this pie chart. Okay, it seems to take some time to loading here. Nice. Just need to adjust the position of this ship model to make it looks nice in the chart. The second one, we will pick a truck to put it in the soil section of the pie chart. Yep, the yellow truck is a nice one. Again, let's be patient here. Just a bit waiting. Cool, the truck is loaded here. We just do a bit reposition to make it looks nice. Lastly, let us pick a building model. As you can see, there are many choices, and I am looking for a tall one. Yes, this one looks like quite nice. Let us wait for the loading. Cool, the building is here. And let us do some minor tweak here to make it looks nice. The following steps are just minor adjustment, like adjusting the 3D bevel level, etc. Next, we can add a nice background to the chart. Okay, the pie chart looks much better now. Now we can add data labels and link them with our table too. Also, we can do some styling with the data labels. Lastly, let me show a neater version of this 3D pie chart. If you find the texture pictures actually quite noisy in terms of visual presentation, you can just use some high contrast color instead. Please follow through, and it is easy to do.